This is the map of the Morton Arboretum. How to explore the Morton Arboretum. Morton Arboretum here in Lisle, Illinois. These are the main route, and these are endangered trees. Of the Earth sculpture.
Scale,
Strata.
offshore, and all that.
Sculpture exhibit. We are here with me, with my honey. Of the Earth sculpture. Of the Earth. If I would only, I would have been climbing up there, but honey.
It's even Filipino. You can read it.
There's no Filipino there.
What's it say?
Those are Russian, Aliprosimio, I don't know. Feel free to touch, but do not climb. If I was only by myself, I would be climbing up there. But Tony won't let me because he's a law-abiding citizen. It's like a canopy of trees. There's a huge place to explore and enjoy family, but oh wow. Starting the full colors. Ocolos explores the idea of shared vision and collective sight. The mirrored spheres reflect our surroundings back to us. It is that nature within us, urging us to celebrate the nature around us. Beautiful here. Oh, how can you take pictures if you don't step on the grass? Yeah. Pretty neat.
You want me to get that off?
And you can stand there in the middle. I'll take your picture. A sculpture of a stillness because he's sleeping. It's a sculpture of a sleeping head. Right here, and we are here at the garden, a children's garden here in Morton, and it's raining, like raining. And the hair is made of roots, tree roots. It is. Yeah, the hair is made of. I will take your picture kissing it. made of tree roots. At least this time the rain had subsided and we are still here at the Morton Arboretum. Cloudy, cold, and rainy, but right now the rain has subsided. We have our hats, no sunglasses. I want my selfie with the beautiful sculpture behind me. How would I do that? Here, with a beautiful sculpture behind us. Look at the gray sky and the garden. We are walking on the garden. I was about to make us a selfie walking, but we're crossing the road. See, there's the bride. And there's the white flowers. We're still here in Morton Arboretum in Lisle, Illinois. This is about 20 to 35 miles north of Chicago, northwest of Chicago, near Oak Brook.